What's up, guys? And while I'm recording this on the same day, because I've actually posted 2 videos now in one day, which I haven't done in a very, very long time, which is actually good because we are back with the Google apps on the PC. Hope you guys didn't miss this series because I totally did miss it. So we're back with it, but let's go through it. So I've done 2 videos about Google Docs. We've done that. I haven't done any videos about Google Sheets. I haven't done any videos about Google Slides, and I haven't done any videos of Google Forms, which is actually a big miss because they're pretty good actually. And I know probably you want me guys to do something else in Google Docs because I know I've done it pretty much all the time and it's the same thing, to be honest. So what I'm gonna say now, we are gonna do slides today. I might also upload today or maybe another day sheets and forms because I don't know. I just want to do other stuff in Docs because we've done Docs quite a lot now. So let's move on to something else. Let's do slides. So we'll do sheets and forms another day or maybe the next video. Thumbs up if you want sheets and forms to be in a video. So let's go on slides. Go on to Google Slides here, or if you want it quicker, you can just go on to there. Basically, I guess you all know like Google apps, like for example Word is Google Docs, and this is Google Slides, which is PowerPoint basically, and Excel is basically Google Sheets. So you all know how they work and they're basically the same. But let's do this. So what we're gonna do now, let's not use any of these templates, let's create a blank one. Just because I don't know, because I haven't used Google Slides that much, and I just wanted to try something different because we've done many Google Slide videos. So let's mix up a bit. So first thing, we are on a blank presentation now. This actually looks pretty nice. It already comes up with design ideas. These are some good design ideas actually. I quite like them. They have some really good design ideas actually. Which one let me guys know in the comments down below which one you think's is the nicest one. For now, I think we might just keep it. This is nice. Let's do this one. So let's close the tab here. Let's name it first, whatever you want. Let's just name it. You like YouTube or something. There you go. Now we've named our slide. And what we want to do first, let's just make it like YouTube. This is very similar to the PowerPoint video that I made months ago, but it's Google Slides because obviously I just want to mix it up. Maybe when I've done all this Google Apps videos, I can do the Microsoft Office Online ones, like Word and stuff. So, but first off, we put that as a title. We can put a video test as the subtitle, and I think I haven't used this that much actually. Oh, here you go. So all you want to do is go onto slides and then go onto transitions and go onto these are the transitions. Oh, you can change how fast you want them. 0.0 seconds. That's a very fast actually. So we can change how fast you want them to go. Let's do dissolve actually, and let's play it. Ooh, this is what it looked like right there. So when people go on it, this is what it looked like, and it's just basically like that's what it looks like when it's running. So there you go. And there's a shape next to it which shows you if the slide has transitions. So We're just gonna make 3 slides today, just to make this very simple for you guys. Let's insert. How do you do this actually? I don't know how to create a new slide. Sorry guys, I don't actually use this very much. Oh, new slide. Here you go. Alright, here we go. Let's make this maybe a bit different. Maybe. Oh, this one looks fun. It's quite a fun looking one. Let's do let's say like let's say the YouTube logo. It's in a nice font actually as well. YouTube logo, and then we can go on to, let's do this. The thing that I like about this one on this Google Slides compared to PowerPoint is because like with this whole transition thing, you can change how fast it is. So look, if let's go on to YouTube logo, and then we can, here is the logo, and then we can just, I guess, put an image of a YouTube logo, I guess. So and then stop it. Oh no, sorry guys. Why do I keep images? Alright, copy and then paste it in raw. Alright, and we can make it bigger if you want. I don't know why we want to make it bigger, but here you go. Perfect. Now what we want to do is probably just add another hold on. Oh, here it is. Transition. Alright, here we go. Oh, you can add an animation. Yes. You can click. Oh, so this will look like. It's very clever actually. It like you can test it, which is actually pretty cool. Slide transition. Let's make a different one. Let's make it gallery. Let's see how this will turn out. Oh, that's a nice one. So you can test it, and this will look like in testing mode. And there you go. We're just gonna make this simple today. Nothing too extra or crazy. So we want to go is click on slide, click on new slide, and then click on the title and we say let us say maybe thanks for all the thanks for all the subscribers, because I want to say thank you for all the subscribers. Let's try and reach 20 subscribers. That's our next goal. If this video can get at least 2 subscribers on this video right here, we can do this. So let's just create this end of video. Thanks for watching. So there you go. And we can, let's obviously if you want, we can, oh, we can just do this. Oh, we can go on, let's go on to the drive photos. This is perfect actually. This is what photos you want here. Perfect. This is probably the best photo actually, probably. And what you want to do is probably go on to, how do you do it again? I'm not very good at Google Docs, guys. I mean you call them Google Docs, but we're doing something else. We're doing Google Slides this time. I actually kind of like it a bit better because you can change out the speed of stuff. Hold up. Oh yeah, obviously you can add transition to it. Let's make this like, let's do let's make it really slow. Oh, let's make it like really slow. So let's see what it looks like. That is very slow. That's how slow it would be. So it's pretty cool actually. So look, this is how many seconds. Oh god. Like 2 seconds. Yeah. You could do it really fast like that. Yeah, like that's like extremely fast. And let's just do it medium and let's play. Let's see what this looks like. Well, that's very nice. And this is, let's just add an animation just to make this pretty cool, I guess. Like appear. And then click on. Oh god. And let's play what it look like. Okay, so I think that's all we're gonna do for today. We're just gonna make this simple and do 3 slides. So click on present up here. Hope I've explained this. What's going on? Oh, right. Oh, okay. So let's just get rid of this. And we've just made 3 slides, but with all transitions. So I hope I made adding stuff clear to you. So let's click present up here, and then click present from beginning. Here it is. Here's your slide. Oh, you can get. Look, this is a pointer. Oh, so look, if you want this to, like, let's say, like, you want to make it more obvious for your work colleagues, maybe, you can use a pointer to go like this, like that, and then, like, it's a video test, so YouTube, a video test, and then it goes, whoa, oh, that's kind of cool, and YouTube logo. Here's the logo. It's pretty cool, actually, and you can make this really fast. Switch, ooh, and then click. Thanks to all the subscribers. End of video. Thanks for watching. And then there it is. Wow. And there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And that is actually, I don't really use Google Slides that much, actually. I mean, I've made a lot of videos about me using Google Docs, because I'm used to that, I think, so I use that thing almost like every day. Don't use Google Slides though, so I should use it more, because it's actually very good. And that's basically the end of the video. I just did a quick 3 slides, and I hope this is clear to you. I do these Google apps, because these ones are free. So I hope this video is clear to you, and I hope the instructions and steps were clear to you. And thanks for all the subscribers though. So I hope this video helped you on how to get started off on Google Slides. It definitely did help me start off to do Google Slides. Check out the Google Doc videos, because they're pretty interesting as well. And go and comment down below, leave a like on the video, and subscribe and turn on notification bells if you want me to do Google Forms and Google Sheets, or another part 2 of this presentation. So that's it, guys, and so comment down below, subscribe, like, turn notifications on, but comment down below if you want me to do Google Sheets, a part 2 to this, or a Google Forms, which is pretty interesting. And if the most people who say Google Forms, or the most people who say Google Sheets, or the most people who say Google or a part 2 to this, will win. So, and then I will do it. So thank you guys for watching so much. Make sure to do all those things that I said, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.